Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show captions word by word in a video using the CapCut text animations. So in here, I have a video that I want to show its caption word by word. And what you need to do first is, of course, showing the caption first. So I'm going to use the auto caption from CapCut. Click on text, use auto caption. Don't forget to select the sound source and also the language. And after that, just click on generate. So wait until the captions are created. Okay, so now the caption have been generated. So to show it word by word, click on one of the caption, find animation, go to the captions category, and just scroll down until you find the word by word animation. Okay, so there are lots of options. There are word by word tilt like this. There is also word by word here. I'm going to just use this one. So you can see now the caption will be shown word by word. I'm going to change the style, I think, into this. Just click on the check icon and this will be the result.
That's why I've took the time I have to
Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.